Mastery Q 4.1. Okay, for A, it's told us to write the ratio for square A, B, and C, and for A1, we just need to write A is 2, 3, and 4. A2, it want the ratio of perimeter for each of the squares. So we need to calculate first perimeter. A equals to 2 times 4 equals to 8, and so on. Perimeter B equals to 3 times 4 equals to 12. Perimeter C equals to 4 times 4 equals to 16. So the ratio is 8, 12, and 16. So if you can simplify it, please do simplifying. So each of these can be divided with 4. So this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Okay. I'm going to do it here. A3. The area. Okay, area is for A is 4. 2 times 2. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. So you just need to write it. Please do show your calculations, just in case the examiner wants to see it. So area B is 3 times 3 equals to 9, and area C equals to 4 times 4 equals to 16. So the ratio is 4, 9, and 16. So I believe we cannot simplify it with common factor. So just let this be like this. Okay, so B, equivalent ratio based on your answer in A. Okay, so the equivalent ratio is 2, 3, and 4. And the relationship between the numbers in the ratio of area and number ratio of length, it is square of the number. So relationship between the number ratio is the ratio of area are the square of ratio of length. Number 2, it gives us the numbers, which is 120 pounds is required to lift a mass of 1,350 kilograms. So 120 pounds equivalent to lift 1,050 kilograms. So it want the mass of the car to the force required. So we need to convert it to mass. So 120 pounds equals to 120 times 0.5. We need to convert it in kilograms. So 120 times 0.45, which is 54 kilograms. So write the ratio of the car to the force required. So the mass of the car right now is 1350 kilogram to the 254. So you need to simplify it. So we can get 25 to the number of 1. So that is how you do number 2. For number 3A, which classes have equivalent ratio of number of girls to the number of boys? So how to find equivalent ratio? We just need to find the common factors between the numbers. So in this case, we see the number of boys and girls in one aminah, we can divide it by 4. Same as in one checkup, we can divide the numbers by 3. So the classes that have equivalent ratio of girls and boys are one aminah and one checkup. Okay, 3B. Write the ratio of number of girls in one aminah, bestari, and one checkup. So 16, 20, and 12. Okay. So we need to simplify it. So I see the numbers, we can divide it by 4. Okay. So this is 4 times 4. This is 4 times 5. And this is 4 times 3. So number 3C. So one aminah and one bastari are combined. It wants us to find the ratio of girls to the number of boys. So we combine first and we get one aminah and one bastari. So we get boys is 21 and girls is 36. So the ratio of girls to boys is 36 to the ratio of 21. We need to simplify it, which is, and we have 7, 12. Okay, so that is how you do number 3B. Number 4, I'm just gonna write it on the diagrams, or I want us to determine the possible ratio for each of the ratio given. So the simplest way is to times it by 2. So for this one, we can have 2 to the ratio of 10, and this one is 8 and 18 and 4, and this one I think we can simplify it, so you can check it by your calculator. You just type in 37 divide by 74 and you have a fraction. So the fraction actually we can turn it into ratio because it is basically the same. So I get 1 to the ratio of 2 and 6 to the ratio of 1 is equals to 12 and 2. For this one, I have a correction where actually you can turn it into, what do you call it, perfect number. So you just write 0.5 divided by 1.2 in the calculator and you will get 5 to the ratio of 12. So for these two, you just divide it also and try to get the 1.2 to 12. So what I mean is that just write 0.3 divided by 1.2 in your calculator and you get 1 to the ratio of 4. So 4 to turn it to 12, you need to multiply it by 3. So you will get 3. This also times 3. So you will get 3 to the ratio of 12 and to the ratio of 5. So that is how you do it actually. Okay, number 5. So write the equivalent ratio of the shaded part. So this is how do we do this in each of the following diagrams? So I think it just want us to write the shaded region to the all of the tiles. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 times 4 is 20 to the ratio of this is 9 times 4 is 36. So simplify it and we have 5 to the ratio of 9, and this one This one is a little bit tricky, but as you can see, it's actually the same. So okay, let's say we divided all of this circle of each of the quarter of the circle to 3 parts, and you will have 3 times 4 is 12 parts. So the shaded one is 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So 15 to the ratio of 36. So let's see if you can simplify it. Yes, you can simplify it to 5 to the ratio of 12. This is how you do it. So it wants us to write equivalent ratio as given in the question. So this is 3 loamy soil, 2 peat, and 1 river sand. So just as I said, you can times it all of the ratio, times it by 2 or times it by 3. So you want 2 possible equivalents, so you can get 6 to the ratio of 4 to the ratio of 2, and 9 to the ratio of 6 to the ratio of 3. Okay, that's how you do number 6.